Hi folks, welcome to your MWIS Fleeting View with the outlook for the days ahead. It's a rather unsettled week ahead with low pressure in charge and some heavy and thundery downpours, a common theme in the next few days. For Tuesday, we have a fairly continuous belt of rain affecting western mountains across west and southwest Scotland in particular, some sustained heavy falls of rain here, but that heavier rain also extending into western hills in Wales and the Lake District. Gale force winds from the south too will affect many regions, strongest on those western coastal mountains where gusting 50 or 60 miles per hour or more in places on the high tops. It's a windy day for all. Lowest cloud then around the rain in the west. Some higher cloud bases further east and north, and the Peak District and the eastern side of the Pennines and the far north of the Highlands escaping largely dry for a good part of the day. We'll take the story on through Tuesday evening and through the middle of the week, this taking you through in 3-hour steps for the rainfall sequence, and that rain just pushing further over the Peak District and the Pennines into Tuesday evening, that front continuing to journey its way eastwards. It will break apart to some extent, but the legacy of moisture on that, plus an unstable atmosphere beneath that low pressure, will be the legacy then for some heavy downpours into the middle of the week. Those breaking out increasingly widely through Wednesday, middle of the day into the afternoon, some hail and thunder pretty widely, the risk of that through the afternoon hours. Hit and miss in terms of what you get, but those downpours will form pretty extensively across the country. Some areas of rain will continue onwards into the night and circulate around a general area of low pressure, so there could be some rain around overnight. It may break up in places. Don't take this chart absolutely literally, but it has that potential for some areas of heavy rain to be around on Thursday morning. And then once again, as the day goes on, further heavy thundery downpours will pop up increasingly as the daytime progresses. Hail and thunder and lightning pretty widely again through the afternoon, so do be aware of that. It's an unstable situation through the middle of this week. Choose your routes very carefully and make sure you've got some easy access down off high ground. It's going to be a pretty unsettled end to the week, albeit showers will become a bit fewer as we go into Friday, but quite breezy, quite cool, some cloud across the hills, maybe just not quite as unstable as we saw through the middle of the week, but expect some further showery rain at times. Our first glimpse at the weekend, and it's still a story of showers into Saturday. These, again, pretty hit and miss where they form. Locally could be frequent for a time, scattered around with the odd heavy burst here and there, and temperatures a little bit on the cool side. Single figures across most of our higher mountains. High pressure just starting to nose its way in from the Atlantic, trying to build a bit as we go through into Sunday. We still have a legacy of a few showers likely, but a drier story for many with some sunshine and a broken cloud. A westerly breeze though into Scotland likely to still shroud those western mountains in low cloud. In fact, that could be a familiar story even onwards into next week. So do take care and watch out for those downpours over the next few days. That's your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.